Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for Klarna credit card. There are two different ways with which you can get or apply for a Klarna credit card. The first one is by using their application. And the second way is by logging into their website either from your laptop or your PC. Simply once you're logged in, you have to click on login. Once you're logged in, you have to click on the wallet option, and then in the wallet option you will see Klarna credit card. Simply tap on Klarna credit card to apply for it. But what if you do not have an account on Klarna? Then simply click on the sign up for free button, and you also need to be eligible for Klarna credit card. To be eligible, you must be a resident of United States or its territories with a valid US address. Number 2, you must be at least 18 years old with a valid social security number. You also have a previously used Klarna and paid on time. And last but not least, have a good credit history. Once you check all the boxes, then the Klarna team will review your sign-up form, and after they approved you, then you can easily apply for Klarna credit card. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.